Main reason I signed up for the training was to further my education. You never stop learning in this business, or any business for that matter, so anytime you can learn something new, even if it's just one little thing that you were looking for. So that was one reason. The other reason was to get the certification from IAPD, have that recognition, and have another tool in my belt, so when I go to customers, I can be more confident in presenting solutions to their problems. Favorite part of the training was all of the hands-on. We did everything from learning how plastics are made and experimenting with that. We did some of our own testing. We did team building exercises where we worked together to put together presentations to help each other learn about different types of plastics, their characteristics, and so on. Do it. Plain and simple, just do it. Like I said, it was an awesome experience. You learn something, you do the team building exercises, and even people that haven't been in the industry as long as I have, it's surprising how much knowledge they have than in more detailed information on some of the plastics. So it's just a great learning experience, along with the camaraderie and the team building. The other favorite part was the tacos and the margaritas.